Today, Féile Rocks Pride here at Belfast City Hall, and we're here to capture all the action.
Féile Rocks!
Keeve is here the whole way from Newry today, and you have the honour of kicking off all the music here on the main stage today. Are you excited?
Oh, I'm so excited. Couldn't think of a better way to spend the day. The sun's shining.
So what is your first song?
My first song is my own song, Is It Too Late to Love You? It's about writing a letter to yourself that it's never too late to love yourself and the way you would have treated yourself when you were younger. I'm so excited to share that and relate to some people here today as well.
Féile Rocks!
We love Féile!
It's Frolic Féile! We love Féile!
Stephen Rafferty is just off the stage now. You have a new fan in me, and I'm sure many more in the audience there. What was Féile Rocks like?
That was unbelievable. Honestly, that's my first time playing for Féile, and I hope I'm coming back because it was incredible.
Féile Rocks! We love Féile!